This is VIVO X90 Pro, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file on this device. So first and foremost, find and launch the Google Drive application. Sign into your Google account if you haven't already. So in here, let me quickly remove the file that I have. And now tap at this plus icon to your bottom right, choose the scan option, give the Drive application camera access, and take a photo of the document that you wanted to scan. So here is mine. So take a good picture of it. If you're satisfied with the result, you can proceed. If not, just retake the photo. As you can see, it is rotated in the wrong direction, as well as it is poorly cropped. So let me frame the part of the raw photo that I would like to be included in the final PDF document that I'm about to create. So that looks way better. I can also change the color scheme if necessary. And then just hit the save button over here. Here is some final configurations that you can make. So, for example, you can rename the file or change the drive location that this document will be saved to, and then just hit the save button to your top right. Wait for the document to get uploaded to your drive, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.